you're already done with your jam, and this period is an incubation period. This period is a wasting period that a lot of people tend to waste because they're actually confused, they don't know how to go about it, right? But you watching this video is an opportunity, because in this video today I'm going to show you courses that you are supposed to start learning before you even get admission to enter the university. There are a lot of reasons why you should learn this course, because when it comes to learning a course is just like if you are having a skill, right? So learning a course will boost your confidence when you finally enter the university. It will give you opportunity, and it will also gives you leverages even among your peers or even above them. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a 400 level student at the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. And in my channel, I help students level up the academic game. I also share footage on the channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can help me grow. And just like I've said, there are a lot of reasons why you need to take courses after your jam exam, right? Because I've talked about the importance, like the confidence, giving you opportunity, and also giving you what leverages. Now the thing is that some employers in our modern day society, some employers and also some scholarship bodies will not just give you scholarship because you are a student, right? But they tend to give you scholarship, or they tend to give you scholarship based on the kind of innovation you have, or based on the kind of initiative you have, just thinking outside the box, right? Not confining yourself within the box of the department or within the box of the course you want to study in the university. You understand? So those are some of the importance of learning a skill, right, or taking good courses, right? And in this video, like I say, I'm going to share with you 5 completely free high value courses that can take you right from the time you gain your admission until you enter the university and you become ahead of your course mates. Number one is that number one course I want you to take, or skill that I would love you to start learning right now. Like, you know, I'm always a digital guy, right? So the first skill I would love you to learn is digital skills for students, right? And you can get this from the Google Digital Garage. So when it comes to the digital skill for students, you will be able to learn stuff like productivity. When it comes to digital skill for students, you will learn about productivity, you will learn about career skills, various career skills. You also learn about different types of online tools, and this will help you boost your CV, right? It will also help you get remote works, and it can also help you get scholarships. Now, to go about this is that you just have to go on Google, or yes, go on Google, go on Phoenix browser, any of the browser that you are using, and search for fundamentals of digital marketing. Now, when you search for fundamentals of digital marketing, it's going to open, right? When it opens, click on the first link or the second link that you get to see it, because the first link might be an AI overview, or it can be a sponsor ad, right? So check on the one that is being sponsored by Google, right? So click on it and you get to register for this course, and you take it. It boosts your portfolio. Imagine learning directly from Google, right? It boosts your portfolio, and it is a great source for to help you get remote jobs, because you're already competent in that, and you can use that skill to land jobs which will be paying you money even when you are in school. The second skill is, or the second course you are supposed to take, is the academic success skills. The academic success skill can be gotten from Coursera, right? Coursera is an online university, and it's an online university that don't just teach you, it's online, but it doesn't just teach you theory, but it teaches you how to be able to do these stuff, and it teaches you how to learn, right? So the benefit of getting to learn skills on Coursera that is that it teaches you how to focus. It teaches you various memory hacks, tricks, and also how to study. You know, the thing is that, you know, as a normal student, especially as a Nigeria child, or as a Nigeria student, we are not taught how to learn, right? We are just, in fact, the learning we get is because, or how we learn is because we saw other people doing it. They didn't teach us how to learn. But when you get to start learning academic success skills from Coursera, it will teach you how to focus, number one, because a lot of people don't know how to focus. They tend to mismanage their time and stuff like that. So Coursera will teach you how to focus. Coursera will teach you how to stand out in your class, what to do different that will make a lot of people draw naturally to you, and not just draw naturally to you negatively, but they will draw naturally to you positive because of how brilliant you are, right? And it will also help you study, just like I've said, right? And one thing about this Coursera is that it is very, very good for those students that are shy, those people that are quiet in class. They are not necessarily quiet because they want to be quiet, but they are quiet in class because they are afraid of making mistakes and they are afraid of being judged in their class, right? So try going on Coursera and start learning this stuff. Now, if you want to get this course, what you simply have to do is just go on Google, right? Just go on Google and search for learning how to learn. Learning how to learn. Then dash put Coursera. That is Coursa. Coursera. Learning how to learn Coursera. Put it in and you will get to see the website. Click on the register and start learning this skill immediately. The number 3 course you are supposed to take is communication and public speaking. Now, there's something I always tell people: it is one thing to talk and it's one thing to communicate. You can be talking, but you're not communicating to a person, right? So go and take skills, or go and take this course on public speaking, right? Now, public speaking, like I said, helps you communicate your ideas, help you communicate your ideas effectively to your people or to your friends. Because when it comes to university, there are a lot of group works, and imagine having an idea but you don't know how to communicate it to people, right? It will only make you swallow that idea, and it will not help towards the growth of the group that you are a member of. You understand? So this skill will help you know how to communicate your idea effectively. It will also, like I said, okay, it will also help you in your presentations, and it will also help you in your various interviews. Now, the thing about this course also is that it helps your brain, right? It helps your brain think fast, because when it comes to public speaking, you can just face an audience and you are required to address them, right? It helps your brain think fast, and it doesn't just help your brain think fast, it thinks logically and with empathy, right? So it is very, very important that you take this course while you are still waiting for admission. There are a lot of reasons why you should take this course, and you should not sleep on them, right? Number 4 is taking courses on Microsoft Office, right? Taking courses on Microsoft Office. Now, when it comes to taking courses on Microsoft Office, it can be Microsoft Word, it can be Microsoft Word, it can be Microsoft Excel, it can be PowerPoint, right? Learn these skills, learn this essential computer, we call it computer appreciation. Learn how to just operate the computer, learn how to just do basic things when it comes with the computer, right? It is very, very important you learn this skill, so that you not finally enter the university and you can be displacing your parents, or you can be displacing your family members over there, right? So it is very, very important you learn these things, and it will help you in your assignment. Instead of taking your assignment to another person to type for you, you can easily stay at home and type your assignment, right? It saves you money and stuff like that, which will now bring us to the last skill which you should learn. Right now, to learn this PowerPoint and stuff like this Microsoft Office, to appreciate your computer, basically use YouTube, and you will get a practical experience. You get to see people doing it, and even though you don't have a system yet, you can start learning from there, so that finally when you get a system, you can easily flow from there, right? So the last skill you are supposed to learn as a student is very, very important, because some of you are under the watch of your parents, and when you enter the university, that is the time you will become free and you will be handling large sum of money. Some of you have not been able to handle, or you have never handled money up to 100,000 naira before in your account, right? But when you enter the university, that is the time you start getting access to a lot of money like this. So it is very, very important you take courses on financial literacy for students, right? Taking courses on financial literacy for students will help you learn how to budget your money, will help you learn how to save money, and it also help you learn how to invest your money, which is very, very important. Now, there are a lot of importance, like I said. It helps you build smart money habits even before school starts stressing you, right? Because it helps you build this smart study habit, so that before even school stress will come in, you already know how you can be able to finance yourself, you know how to budget money, you know how to save money, and you also know how to invest money, so that you will not be spending your money on impulse, spending your money on things you don't actually need and stuff like that. So to learn this skill, like I said, you can also go on YouTube can learn financial literacy skills on YouTube, or there's a platform that's also known as Allison, right? That is the ALISON. Can go on this platform and also learn how to save money as a student. Now, when it comes to these skills, is that you don't just have to, it might not be possible that you learn all of them, but pick the one that you are very passionate on and you start learning it. Pick the one that you know you have interest on, you have love on, you start learning it. And note that you cannot just use 1 week, cannot just use 2 weeks and become a master of it, right? Always remember about consistency. So when you consistently keep learning these skills, even before you finally get to the university, you get to find out that you'll be good in them. And when you enter the university, you will really appreciate that you watched this video. Drop it in the comment section, which of these courses are you going to try right away. And if you love this video and you should continue getting videos like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share this video to your friends so they can come here and get value and you feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. Till I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.